Hello everyone, today we are going to introduce our BT55 with TPH900. Now we power on the radio first. Then we go to menu and select settings and select tools. Select Bluetooth, select device, and we enter to search. And now we power on BT55.
Power on.
And press the pairing button.
Pairing.
Then you can see one file on the screen. And we press back. And we enter BTH and the pair. And yes.
Pairing successful.
And we press back and press BTH again. And press connect. And you can hear the beep, it means the speaker is connected. Now we can begin to test. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, you can see them work very well. Now we test, reboot the radio and the Bluetooth speaker mic. We reboot the radio first. Okay, then we go to menu and select settings, select tools and Bluetooth, and select device and select BTH and press connect. Okay, now you can test now. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then we test reboot the speaker mic.
Power on. Speakers connected.
Okay, you can see them work. You can see them pair automatic. Now we can test again. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, thank you for your watching. If you have any question, please mail to info@mobilitysound.com.